Space is vast and full of wonders, but it also holds dangers. Asteroids and meteoroids, remnants from the early solar system, hurtle through space at incredible speeds. Sometimes their paths intersect with Earth's orbit, resulting in a cosmic collision. Imagine a massive rock traveling tens of thousands of miles per hour, slamming into our planet. The energy released is unimaginable, instantly vaporizing the impactor and creating a massive explosion. This, my friends, is how an impact crater is born. These events are not just things of the past, they are a reminder that we live in a dynamic solar system. While most asteroids and meteoroids burn up in the atmosphere, some are large enough to reach the surface. When they do, they leave behind a lasting mark on our planet, an impact crater. These craters are scars on Earth's surface, evidence of powerful events that have shaped our planet's history. They offer a glimpse into the violent past of our solar system and provide valuable clues about Earth's evolution. The formation of an impact crater is a dramatic process. When an asteroid or meteoroid hits Earth, it transfers its kinetic energy to the ground. This impact generates intense heat and pressure, exceeding the strength of even the strongest rocks. The result is a powerful explosion that excavates a large cavity in the ground. The shape and size of the crater depend on several factors, including the impactor's size, speed, and angle of impact, as well as the target's geology. Earth, unlike some other planets and moons, has a dynamic surface. Erosion, volcanic activity, and plate tectonics constantly reshape our planet, erasing many impact craters over time. However, some craters are so large and well preserved that they provide us with valuable insights into the past. These craters vary in size, from small bowl-shaped depressions to vast multi-ringed structures. One of the most well-known impact craters on Earth is the Barringer Crater in Arizona. This impressive crater is nearly a mile wide and over 550 feet deep, a stark reminder of the power of cosmic impacts. The Barringer Crater was formed about 50,000 years ago by the impact of a nickel-iron meteorite, estimated to have been about 150 feet in diameter. Its relatively young age and the arid climate have preserved it remarkably well, making it a popular destination for scientists and tourists alike. Another significant impact crater, although significantly older and heavily eroded, is the Chicxulub Crater, located on the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. This massive crater, estimated to be about 110 miles in diameter, is believed to be the impact site of the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs about 66 million years ago. The impact of this massive asteroid triggered catastrophic events worldwide, including widespread wildfires, tsunamis, and a global impact winter that plunged the Earth into darkness. Studying the past, protecting the future. Impact craters are not just scars on Earth, they are also valuable windows into the past. By studying these craters, scientists can learn about the history of our planet and the role that impacts have played in shaping it. The size and distribution of craters on Earth and other planets provide clues about the rate of impacts in the past and the potential for future events. Moreover, the impact craters offer insights into the composition of the early solar system. By analyzing the rocks and minerals found at impact sites, scientists can deduce the composition of the impactor and the target rocks. This information is crucial for understanding the formation and evolution of planets and other celestial bodies. By studying past impacts, scientists can better assess the risk of future impacts and develop strategies to mitigate their potential consequences. Guardians of our planet. The study of impact craters and the objects that create them is not just an academic exercise, it is crucial for the survival of our species. The threat of a significant asteroid impact is real, and we must remain vigilant in our efforts to detect and deflect potential threats. Several organizations worldwide are dedicated to monitoring the skies for potentially hazardous asteroids and comets. These programs use a network of telescopes to scan the skies, looking for objects that might pose a threat to Earth. If a potentially dangerous object is detected, scientists can calculate its trajectory and determine if it will intersect with Earth's orbit. Early detection is key. The more time we have to prepare, the better our chances of successfully deflecting or mitigating the effects of an impact. Remember, Cosmic impacts are a natural part of our solar system's history, but they don't have to dictate our future. By studying the past and keeping a watchful eye on the skies, we can help ensure that Earth continues to be a safe and habitable planet for generations to come.